the relation between science and political decisions, an important relation that must be deeply examined. Sustainability science wants to overcome this clash through tough use of transdisciplinary to deal with the multi-perspective views coming from opposite research fronts. For this reason, Luigi Frati, rector of Sapienza University of Rome, Gianni Letta, Under-Secretary of the Council of Ministers, Antonio Tajani, Vice President of the European Commission, will take part in the opening of International Conference on Sustainability Science.
So welcome to scientists and the representative of the industries and the politicians coming here to discuss about the sustainability of development and of course what is the role of science. And this is a big role of the university, and I believe that this conference may be fruitful for this.
Could we say that is the first appointment and then in the future we will have something again?
Yes, we discussed with the future. It is very important that in this conference is present. There is also the presence of the Minister of Young Peoples in Italy. So, because this is the future of young people about this.
Besides CIRPS, Inter-University Research Center on Sustainable Development, Sapienza University of Rome, also involved are the scientific world leaders universities, such as Harvard University, Arizona State University, Laundry University, Tokyo University, Potsdam Institute for Climate, Asia Institute of Technology, Chalmers University of Technology, and many others.
The international community, the governments need the support of the science for addressing the complexity of the sustainable development. We had to make steps forward a new integrated approach for combining energy security, environmental security, food security, and the science of sustainability could help us. In this perspective, the holistic approach from the development of science of sustainability will be very useful in better understanding the complexity of the environmental protection and the economic growth on the planet.